Mastering the Art of Winged Liner. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind the winged liner, a classic makeup technique that has been a staple in beauty routines for decades. Whether you're a seasoned makeup enthusiast or new to the world of cosmetics, understanding this term will not only expand your English vocabulary but also your makeup skills. Let's dive in. Winged liner, often referred to as cat eye, is a makeup application style where eyeliner is used to create a sharp line that extends from the outer corner of the eye upwards and outwards, resembling the wing of a bird. It's a technique that can transform the eyes, making them appear more elongated and dramatic. The term winged liner comes from the visual similarity between the extended eyeliner and the wings of a bird in flight. This style traces back to ancient civilizations but became widely popular in the 1950s and 60s, thanks to style icons like Audrey Hepburn and Brigitte Bardot. For English language learners, understanding phrases like winged liner is crucial, not just for makeup enthusiasts. It's a cultural reference that can pop up in movies, books, and everyday conversation. Knowing such terms enriches your vocabulary and helps you engage more deeply with English-speaking cultures. Achieving the perfect winged liner can be a bit tricky. It involves steady hands, precise strokes, and a bit of practice. You can use a liquid, gel, or pencil eyeliner to draw a thin line along the upper lash line. Then flick it outwards at the corner to create the wing. I hope this video has shed light on what winged liner is and why it's an interesting phrase to know in English. With practice, not only can you master saying it, but you might just become an expert in applying it too. Until next time, keep practicing and stay beautiful, inside and out.